Alright, what do we have here? The brand new mobile phone from POCO, the POCO M2 Pro. Xiaomi releases its relatively premium smartphone offerings under the brand name POCO. So the latest offering in that is POCO M2 Pro. This M2 series and their X series, X2, X3, etc. They are nowadays challenging with their rival Realme with these phones. Let's get into it right away. There is a transparent silicone-ish case along with this, which is really good. Okay, the phone, the charging cable, which is C-type, seems to be the new normal for Xiaomi phones. The charging brick comes with the phone. This is a fast charger which can pump 33 watts into the, combined with a 5000 mAh battery, this is going to be a pretty good option. And you can expect one day of phone usage, obviously. Let's try the case. This looks to be good and there is a bit of an edge with the case. This should help you from low to even moderate falls. Also, it has some kind of screen protection on it, which is also good. This is not the normal plastic cover which used to come attached to this display. You may need not to purchase another screen protection guard. Look at the sleek design with a classy finish. Wow, this background looks even better than what we see in pictures. Look at the glossy design elements. There is a subtle design even inside it. The camera module is praised with a bit rise from the normal screen body. So this should make up with the screen protector. It is housing 4 different cameras. The main camera being a 48 megapixel, which is a wide camera. And then there is an 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, then a 2 megapixel depth camera. This rear camera can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second, a Full HD at 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second, and obviously 720p as well. In front there is a single camera which is of 16 megapixel and it can shoot Full HD and 720p both at 30 frames per second. Now let us look at some picture samples from both the cameras. As usual, this has got quality specs. It has got a 4GB and 6GB RAM versions and internal storage 64 and 128 gigs. Also, that is expandable to a 512GB. The processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, which is octa-core. The display is a Full HD Plus and of 6.67 inches. Now, what is Full HD Plus? It has got a slightly more pixels than Full HD. The resolution of this display is 2400 into 1080 pixels, which is slightly more than Full HD. The graphic processor is Adreno 618 GPU. The weight of this model is 209 grams. A quarter kilogram it feels a bit heavy, but then again, considering the recent launches of different phones, this weight range is coming to be a new normal. This phone runs on MIUI operating system. MIUI is a pretty decent skin built on top of Android. I personally like MIUI since it has got many added features from the stock Android versions. But then again, the problem here is the bloatwares coming loaded with MIUI. Also, the placement of ads from Xiaomi. That is quite understandable since we know that is how MI makes the money. And their strategy is to give proper hardware with cheap prices, but include an operating system and make money through the operating system. So they include bloatwares and ads everywhere they can. So if you are interested in removing ads from this phone, I have done a separate video about it. You can check that out. I'll link it somewhere here. Xiaomi is a Chinese company, so this is a Chinese phone. Though there is sticker size, it is made in India. Also, there are apps which are banned by Indian government recently. So there you go, you're warned. Now I'll quickly go through some things which didn't quite impress me. First is the camera. It's good, but not anything like 48 megapixel. Still, it's good for a normal use. Alright, the next thing is the display. This is good for a Full HD Plus display. It is not an AMO LED screen. So, if you don't expect that level of quality, this is not going to disappoint you. Next is gaming. If you're a gamer, then it slightly heats up in the gaming, which is normally expected. Also, the battery drains quite fast. Now the weight, I've already mentioned that it feels a bit heavy. The speakers, there is a single bottom opening speaker which is just average. Bottom line is, this is good for the price you pay. You get decent specs in this price range, and this is overall a nice product in terms of design, display, the specs, and you can go for this confidently if you're looking for something in the lower price bracket. And that's all for today. I hope this video has been useful to you. In that case, consider subscribing, which would be fantastic. My name is Lijo and you're watching Tech and Talk. I'll get back to you with another video real soon. Bye bye.